In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment stuck on pending. So if your payment is still on pending, that may mean because the payment that you have sent is sent to an unverified or a email address or phone number not associated with Venmo, which will give it status of pending. So in this, your payment method will be charged, but the money won't reach the recipient until they finish setting up their Venmo account. So what you can do right here is you can head over and then contact the recipient and make sure that they have provided you the correct information. If they do and they don't have Venmo, you can head over and encourage them to sign up for Venmo in order to receive their payment. Another option that you can do is you can take back the transaction by going to your Me tab on your application, find the transaction, and under the payment in question, tap on Take Back. You can initiate another transfer through other means as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.